Welcome to Canadian Flooring and Renovations. We are your one-stop solution to all of your building, supply, and renovation needs. What's special about us is that we don't just supply the materials, we supply the hands needed to build it. We can build you your dream kitchen, dream renovation, and dream home. With over 20 years of experience, you can find us located here at 1903 West Broadway in Vancouver. We have a wide variety of luxurious hardwood flooring, durable vinyl, and gorgeous textiles, as well as comfortable carpets to fit every style and need. When it comes to hardwood flooring, we have a wide variety of colors and finishes suitable for both commercial and residential products, so we're sure to find the right wood for you. If you're looking for a more durable version of marble, we carry a 12 by 24 tile here that is in vinyl, as well as a wooden plank that is also in vinyl. These are a much more durable option. They are scratch resistant as well as waterproof. If hardwood flooring and vinyl isn't for you, we also carry a wide range of laminate. At Canadian Flooring and Renovations, we have every style to accommodate your needs. If you're looking to update your bedroom or living room, we offer carpets that are pet-friendly, stain-proof, as well as carry a lifetime warranty. If you're working on a commercial project, we also offer carpet tiles. They come in a lot of different colors, a lot of different patterns, and they're super durable. Welcome to our kitchen showroom. We have a large variety of different countertops, as well as cabinets and backsplash finishes. If you're looking to update your kitchen, what's so great about Canadian Flooring and Renovations is that they offer custom fittings. So we take the space that you already have and we can make it into whatever you would like. You're able to customize everything from the color, the size, the fit, and the shape. If we open up the cabinetry interiors here, you can see that we use plywood. Now plywood isn't like any ordinary material. Plywood is super durable. It doesn't wear and tear over time and it doesn't lose its shape. If you're looking to update your kitchen or bathroom, we carry a wide range of porcelain or ceramic tiles, many which are made in Italy. If you're looking to start your next home renovation project, give us a call for a free estimate today.